Hi, it's Nelly Barova here from Arts Division. I wanted to record a quick video which I believe will be useful for business owners as well as estate and letting agents who use LinkedIn to post and advertise their business on a regular basis. I was going through my LinkedIn feed this morning and I saw two very interesting posts. One which grabbed my attention for the right reasons and the other which grabbed my attention for all the wrong reasons. So I actually have put in front of you both of those adverts, and I wanted to explain what and why something works and something doesn't, which I believe will then possibly help you improve on how you put your posts together and what you should expect from your posts on social channels such as LinkedIn. So the one on the left is the one which I sort of felt has done all the wrong things and for the wrong reasons. And here is why. So if you look at the actual post itself, the first bit of information is about an update on an upcoming open house event and the new listings we have taken on this week, which first of all is very odd mix of announcements, because what does this even mean? What is this open house? Why should I even go there? Am I interested? Am I not interested? Why do I really care that there are new listings that this agent has taken on? That's the first paragraph. The second one goes on to saying what a productive week they've had. They've taken on some amazing new properties this week and it's been very hectic. Again, why do I care? I go on LinkedIn to learn something new, to engage with other business owners, possibly to feel better about myself or the things that I'm doing. I most definitely don't go on LinkedIn to find out that someone's had a very busy week or productive week or how many properties they've taken on, because I really don't care. And I don't care not only because I'm not another estate agent, I don't care because it's not relevant for me. I'm not looking to buy or anything in that particular area. In fact, I don't even know what the area is. And the third point is, it says, if you have any inquiries on those properties, but again, what are those properties? Or if you would like to sell, if you would like us to sell your property, then please get in touch with me to discuss your details. And again, I'm not looking to sell. So on LinkedIn, don't forget, this is a business-to-business platform. People don't go on LinkedIn because they're looking to buy or sell properties or let or rent properties. They're looking to network with one another. So if you're actually looking to find more vendors, a better platform would be Facebook, where you can actually target a more appropriate audience. If you're looking for vendors in central London, then advertise to people who are physically located in central London. Don't go onto LinkedIn where everyone from everywhere might be joining purely based on their business profession and nothing to do with their personal characteristics. And estate and letting agents, they sell to consumers most of the time, excluding the portfolios of landlords, for example. So now what actually does work? So on the right hand side, this is another example. Literally I saw that this morning as well. This post starts with a question: is the top price always the best price? So why did it get my attention? Well, first of all, it's an interesting question. I actually would like to know the answer to that question. And then the post goes on explaining a little bit more about that answer. So the pathway to working out what truly is best for your seller should always be established prior to instruction. So this person is already giving me some value. They're explaining something that I didn't know before, and I'm already feeling or building a bit more trust towards that individual. Now, both of those ads were paired with a video. So in both cases, the person who posted those ads have recorded themselves, so there's a little bit more explanation in the video itself. But don't forget, for me to watch a video, I need to first of all believe that this would be of interest to me, and so the text that you put above that video is super important. Do I really want to watch a video which starts with update on our coming open house and the new listings we have taken on this week? it's not relevant necessarily for me, or do I want to watch something that says, is the top price always the best price? If that's something I want to learn more about, I definitely will do, because it's not about my specific circumstances, it's knowledge that I will gain regardless of where I'm placed. So first of all, I just wanted to highlight, in order for you to progress someone from cold to someone who actually wants to talk to you, there are several steps in between. Social media channels are not designed for you to go straight for the kill and ask for the business literally via posting things such as, if you have any properties, please contact us and we'll help you sell them. This is about engaging, building trust, making more people aware of your brand. This is the very first step. Make more people aware of your brand and get them to engage with you. Once that you have done that, take them out of LinkedIn and progress their journey on your website, on other social channels, via email or whatever else you want. But LinkedIn is not there for you to sell to those people. It's for you to make them aware and engage. So if you have any questions, feel free to make a comment or message me if you like. I'm happy to answer those. But I really hope that's been helpful to those that are posting on LinkedIn personal messages like this and perhaps are not getting anything in return, and maybe some food for thought for the future. Thank you. Bye-bye.